In a quiet village nestled among green hills, there lived a young woman named Naila. Villagers would often seek her out, not just for small favors, but for her gentle guidance and a listening ear. Even when people treated her unfairly or took her generosity for granted, Naila never responded with anger. She met every situation with a calm and compassionate heart. One sunny afternoon, a young man named Omar came to see her. Omar was known for causing trouble in the village. He had made many mistakes and lost the trust of nearly everyone. He expected Naila to turn him away, but instead, she greeted him with a warm smile and offered him a seat. Without any judgment in her eyes, she simply asked how she could help. Omar was taken aback. "Why are you helping me?" he asked, his voice filled with surprise. "After all the harm I've caused, why are you so kind?" Naila's smile widened. "Kindness isn't a transaction," she explained softly. "It's a choice." Forgiveness isn't just for you, it frees me from the weight of resentment. Inspired by this simple yet profound idea, Naila made kindness her daily practice. She forgave people without holding on to grudges, understanding that resentment only hurts the person who holds it. She helped others quietly, never seeking recognition or expecting anything in return. Her joy came from seeing others happy. When people made mistakes, she didn't punish them. Instead, she encouraged them to learn and grow. Naila always focused on the present moment, looking for opportunities to create positive change rather than dwelling on past wrongs. Through her consistent kindness, she slowly built trust, turning skeptics into friends and even former enemies into allies. Months passed, and a remarkable transformation began to sweep through the village. Omar, once seen as a lost cause, became a responsible and hard-working member of the community. He dedicated himself to rebuilding the trust he had broken. Inspired by Naila's example, other villagers started helping each other more freely. Small acts of kindness became commonplace, weaving a strong fabric of support and understanding throughout the community. Naila's actions demonstrated a powerful truth: kindness and forgiveness are never wasted. Even when it seemed like her compassion might be taken advantage of, it was this very quality that created lasting bonds and sparked genuine change in people's lives. She often gathered the village youth and shared her wisdom. "Being kind is not a weakness," she would tell them, "and forgiving someone doesn't mean you forget what happened. It means you are choosing to open a path to healing and growth. Your heart grows stronger every time you choose compassion over revenge." From Naila's beautiful journey, we can learn 5 essential lessons. First, kindness is always powerful, no matter how small the act. Second, forgiveness heals both the person who gives it and the one who receives it. Third, helping others is the surest way to build trust and earn respect. Fourth, all positive change begins with a single act of compassion. And finally, true strength is found not in anger or retaliation, but in responding to life with love. Naila's story leaves us with a timeless message: kindness never fails. When you choose to forgive, to help, and to lead with compassion, you have the power to transform lives, including your own. If Naila's journey inspired you, please give this video a like, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe for more stories that can change your life. Thank you for watching.